This morning we broke ground for an expanded and spruced up, if you will, courtyard. What we're trying to do is to reposition and repurpose the courtyard here to make it a really exciting and aesthetically pleasing area where our young people, our children can come and the visitors as well to not just enjoy the gastronomy fair that we have in the area, you know, the wonderful products from the brick oven, you know, the Devon House ice cream, the Devon House duppy that we're about to launch shortly, and the various other culinary delights that are in this immediate area. But to sort of make this a point of excellence in Devon House. See, we're going to spend 70 million Jamaican dollars on building out the experience, and we expect that the construction will be finished within 6 months so that we will have it open and ready for Jamaica 60 activities this year. It's an important first phase of a second development strategy that we have for Devon House, which I will speak about in my budget presentation. But just for what today is, it's to enhance the aesthetic experience here at Devon House and to provide us with a place for relaxed, casual eating rather than, you know, formal or sit-down dining.